Good evening. As we come on the air in the West tonight, it is great to have you with us here on a Wednesday night, and we begin with fast-moving news in the coronavirus emergency. President Trump addressing the outbreak this evening, saying, quote, "We are very, very ready for this, for anything." This all comes after the CDC warned Americans to be prepared here at home, that it's not a matter of if, but when. Tonight, there are now more new cases being reported outside China than inside China for the first time. The virus spreading across the globe, including at least 60 cases here in the U.S. and at least 8 states. Spreading quickly across Europe tonight, at least 13 European countries. In Italy alone now, at least 440 people now infected, the death toll at least 12. And the first U.S. service member has now been diagnosed at a military base in South Korea. While here at home tonight, the CDC is now investigating reports a flight attendant has now been diagnosed with the virus. She had flown into and out of LAX airport in Los Angeles. In fact, the mayor there tonight saying they are trying to disinfect the airport. And so we begin with ABC's Steve Osunsami outside the CDC in Atlanta.
They're working overtime tonight in Los Angeles at LAX, disinfecting the airport to help prevent any possible spread of the coronavirus. A Korean Airlines flight attendant who is believed to have worked flights in and out of the airport tested positive today for the virus. The same flight attendant was working a flight from Israel February 15th, where 30 people were later diagnosed with the disease.
We're disinfecting LAX every hour. We're making sure that those points of entry and those places where we could see somebody come in and create a vector are as secure as we can possibly make them.
In Korea, a U.S. soldier has come down with the coronavirus. The military is ordering extra screenings of all service members. These are pictures tonight from on board a cruise ship that's circling the Caribbean. Both Jamaican and Cayman Island authorities are refusing to let the ship dock because someone on the boat is sick. The ship's medical staff believes the patient is sick with the flu, but the islands aren't taking any chances. And tonight, the ship is headed to Mexico.
Just being told there's one guy with flu, and supposed to dock tonight in Mexico, but I'm not told if we're going to get off the ship or not. Really frustrating.
The latest from global health officials, this is the current heat map, with the virus spreading to 16 European countries in less than a week. In Italy, where more than 400 people have gotten sick from the coronavirus, some Catholic masses have been canceled in the north, but the Pope still celebrated Ash Wednesday in Rome. Our James Longman is in the country.
Italy is one of the most popular destinations for American students. Thousands come here every year, but now at least 5 U.S. universities are suspending their study abroad programs because of coronavirus.
Study abroad students are packing their bags tonight.
Here are my other friends over here who are packing in our apartment.
We're getting on an early flight tomorrow. Please don't make us leave. We're really sad.
Back home in the U.S., there are 60 cases of coronavirus here, and health officials say that American families should be prepared for more.
All right, so let's get back to Steve Osunsami again tonight, live outside the CDC. And Steve, we're just learning about residents on Long Island, New York tonight now being asked to self-quarantine, and reports that many in Massachusetts and likely in other places self-quarantining as well.
David, call it a coronavirus watch. 83 people on Long Island have been told to voluntarily self-quarantine for 14 days after visiting mainland China. They're being told to even keep away from their families. And in Massachusetts, several hundred people are being told to get through a similar voluntary quarantine. David?
All right, Steve Osunsami leading us off. Steve, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.